Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI to work faster. If you already use Notion for notes, project planning, or meeting docs, Notion AI can help you move through information much more efficiently without leaving your workspace. Instead of manually reviewing everything line by line, you can use built-in AI tools to quickly pull out the most useful details and keep important takeaways visible. One of the fastest ways to use it is directly inside your notes. When you have a block of text, such as meeting notes, brainstorm ideas, or a project update, simply highlight the section you want to work with. Once that text is selected, ask the AI to do something specific. For example, you can prompt it to summarize the content, identify key insights, or extract action items. This is especially helpful when your notes are long or messy, and you need a cleaner version you can act on right away. The key here is to be intentional with the prompt you choose. If you need a quick overview, use Summarize. If you want the most important themes or conclusions, ask for Key Insights. And if you are turning notes into next steps, extracting action items can save a lot of time. These options help you go from raw information to something useful in just a few seconds. Another powerful feature is using AI blocks. In Notion, type /AI to insert an AI-powered block into the page. From there, you can add a permanent summary block or an action items block. At the top of your meeting notes, this gives you a standing section that automatically helps organize what matters most. Putting these blocks at the top is a smart workflow choice because it keeps your next steps and high-level takeaways visible at a glance. Instead of scrolling through an entire page to find decisions or tasks, you can immediately see the summary and what needs to happen next. That makes follow-up faster and reduces the chance of missing something important after a meeting. A useful tip is to use these two features together. First, capture your notes as usual. Then highlight important sections to get quick summaries or action items. After that, keep a permanent summary block or action items block at the top of the page so your most important information is always easy to review. With just these simple Notion AI tools, you can spend less time organizing notes and more time actually moving work forward.